Hey friend, welcome to the BotBuhdy AI report. Today we've got a packed show for you. Brazilian city government releases Rio 3.5, Open 397B, tops open source AI benchmarks. Google research ships Gemini-SQL2 hits 80.04%. Execution accuracy on BIRD. Z.ai announces GLM 5.2. And finally, Hitch Open Ping-Pong. Embodied AI Challenge joins 2026 World Humanoid Robot Games. Let's get into it.
A municipal government just dropped a 397 billion parameter open source AI model that is beating Silicon Valley heavyweights on global benchmarks. Rio 3.5 Open is built on Alibaba's Qwen 3.5 base, but the post-training was done entirely by iPlan Rio, the tech arm of Rio de Janeiro's city administration. It is fully open under an MIT license, features 1 million tokens of context, and runs a dynamic reasoning framework the team calls SWI reasoning. On agent programming, mathematics, STEM, and multilingual tasks, it is outperforming Qwen 3.7+, which is one of the most capable commercial models on the market. The real story here is not which organization built it. It is that frontier-scale AI development is becoming so accessible that a city-level IT department can produce and release a competitive model for the entire world to use. That is a seismic shift in who gets to participate in the AI race.
Now, this is impressive. Seriously, take a look at what they pulled off.
Google just cracked 80% accuracy on the hardest real-world database test in the industry. Gemini SQL2, running on Gemini 3.1 Pro, scored 80.04% execution accuracy on the BERT Text-to-SQL Leaderboard. BERT is brutal. It uses over 12,000 question SQL pairs pulled from 95 actual professional databases with dirty data, missing values, and external knowledge requirements. For context, human database experts score around 93%. Google's previous best was roughly 76 to 77. This is not a flashy chatbot demo. This is the difference between works in a carefully staged video and actually generates correct SQL in messy enterprise environments. Natural language to database query is one of the highest return business applications in AI. Right now, and Google is quietly holding both top spots on the definitive benchmark.
Okay, this next one. I am genuinely excited about this. You are going to love it.
We are moving past autocomplete and into something far more ambitious. Z.ai just shipped GLM 5.2, an agentic coding model built for long-horizon software engineering with a 1 million token context window. This is the third major release in the GLM5 series, and it is specifically tuned for multi-step reasoning across massive code bases, persistent debugging over extended sessions, and production-grade autonomous development workflows. The leap here is not raw benchmark scores. It is the shift from help me write this function to manage this entire project for the next 3 days. That is the use case enterprises are actually willing to pay for, and specialized models like this are maturing faster than many general-purpose assistants. If your development team is still thinking of AI as a fancy autocomplete tool, you are already behind.
All right, let's go. This next story has me fired up. You are going to want to hear this.
Physical intelligence just found its proving ground. The Hitch Open Ping-Pong Embodied Challenge, also known as HOPE, has been officially added to the 2026 World Humanoid Robot Games. This is not a factory demo or a carefully scripted video. It is a live competition where humanoid robots must read spin, adjust footwork, predict trajectories, and return serves in real time against human-level baselines. Table tennis is deceptive. It looks simple, but it demands millisecond reaction times, fine motor control, and split-second strategic adaptation. For embodied AI, this is the perfect stress test because you cannot fake it. You either connect with the ball or you do not. The robots competing here will need to integrate vision, planning, and physical control in ways that no current training environment fully replicates. If you want to know which humanoid platforms are actually ready for the real world, watch this tournament.
That's all for today, friend. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I will see you tomorrow with more AI news. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, leverage your intelligence.